Hi, my name's Nick, and this is a short 3-minute video presentation of my autism inquiry project that I'm doing with my partner Brittany. First, I'll be talking about a description of the student that we're working with. Then I'll be talking about the data collected, the data procedures, and the rationale for the data. Then I'll be going over communication and collaboration. Then I'll be talking about the interventions that we plan on using with our student. And finally, I'll be concluding with our research question. Our student is a 6-year-old boy who has been diagnosed with autism. Some of his strengths are he loves being tickled, he loves being chased, he loves playing with his younger sister Sophia at the beach and at their house, and he loves riding bikes. One of the main concerns that mom and dad have for their son is his ability to act socially with his peers. So my partner and I are targeting social skills in our interventions. My partner and I are using a time sampling procedure in order to measure whether our student is able to socially interact with his peers. We're measuring whether he can look towards the activity that he's supposed to be engaged in within confines of the activity or following directions of the activity. If he can do one of these 3 things for 15 seconds, then he'll receive a plus on the data sheet, and if not, he'll receive a minus. Baseline data showed that he was not able to maintain one of these 3 criteria for the entire fall quarter, therefore he received all minuses across the board. We're planning on using a changing criterion design so that as he becomes more and more socially capable with the application of our interventions, we can move him to the next criteria of pro-social behavior. My partner and I have been in communication with our students' mom and dad, the behavioral therapist supervisor, as well as our student's special ed teacher. Our 3 interventions consist of video modeling, social stories, and a token economy system. Our intervention is going to take place at his after-school Parks and Rec program, which is with same age peers. And to start off, we're going to be reading him a social story while reinforcing the characters for social behavior. Then he's going to go and be playing with his peers, and depending on the activity, we're going to be reinforcing him for pro-social behavior verbally and with the token economy, and he can cash out every 5 minutes. Then after session, we'll be showing him a video model of himself and reinforcing him for appropriate social behavior while he's watching himself on the screen. We'll also be using video modeling and social stories in home in preparation for the next Parks and Rec day. In conclusion, will a token economy system, video modeling, and social stories increase the social skills of a 6-year-old boy with autism? We think that it will, and our ultimate goal for our student is that he finds playing with his peers reinforcing in and of itself. Thanks.